Hi, this is Will Cook with the Will Cook Group. Welcome back to my video blog. Today we're going to talk about some 2024 housing market predictions. After watching mortgage rates hit near 2-decade highs and inventory plummet in 2023, many hopeful buyers are eager to get off the sidelines and into a new home. While 2024 is shaping up to be a better year for the housing market in many respects, many buyers are still going to face challenges with affordability. If you're in the market to buy a home in 2024, here's what you need to know about the housing market predictions. First, the experts generally agree that housing prices are going to increase in 2024. Fannie Mae, the Mortgage Bankers Association, the National Association of Realtors, and Realtor.com all agree and expect a 2.8, 4.1, 0.7, and 1.7% increase respectively. Low inventory is a chronic problem in the United States, and this has generally kept prices up. Even as mortgage rates peaked near 8% and home buying demand plummeted this year, demand is expected to increase next year. So even if home prices do drop in 2024, they likely won't fall enough to significantly improve affordability on their own. Next will be our mortgage rate predictions for 2024. Well, here's where we'll probably find some affordability in 2024. They've already been trending down for the last several weeks, and experts predict we're going to see mortgage rates continue to go down in 2024. The average 30-year fixed mortgage rate could even fall to near 6% by the end of the year. Fannie Mae forecasts a more gradual drop in rates and believes the 30-year fixed will remain in the low 7% range. The Mortgage Bankers Association forecast is more aggressive, predicting that mortgage rates could hover in the 6.3 to 6.6% range. National Association of Realtors predicts the rate to be in the upper 6% range, and Realtor.com said it believes mortgage rates will average 6.8% average overall in 2024 and reach a low of 6.5 by the end of the year. Well, whether mortgage rates actually trend down in 2024 and by how much depends on the path of the Federal Reserve and whatever path it takes in its fight against inflation. Investors believe that they may start cutting rates next year, which would remove a lot of upward pressure off of mortgage rates and allow them to fall more substantially. But Fed officials have made it clear that they want to see data on how inflation is trending before they consider taking the foot off the gas. If inflation stops decelerating or speeds back up, the Feds could hike and the federal funds rate pushing mortgage rates higher. Because home prices have increased so dramatically in recent years, doomsayers believe that the housing market is in a bubble and it's only a matter of time before the market crashes. But it's actually pretty unlikely that that's going to happen. One of the main reasons it's unlikely that there will be a crash in 2024 has to do with housing inventory. The U.S. simply does not have enough houses to meet demand, which is keeping prices steady. Of course, no one has a crystal ball, and if demand were to plummet, home prices could start falling. A severe recession could cause this to happen, for example. While some analysts think we could experience a recession next year, it's not a given that the housing market would crash as a result. The fact is, it's hard to predict a housing market crash. Right now, the conditions aren't right for one. Even though demand is low, supply remains even lower. And demand is expected to increase in 2024, while supply will likely remain a chronic problem for years to come. So what does all of this mean for buyers and sellers? Well, if you're looking to buy a home in 2024, you'll want to start the planning process now. Next year is definitely going to be better for buyers than 2023 in many ways, but it's also going to be challenging when it comes to pricing and competition. Lower mortgage rates will undoubtedly increase affordability for borrowers, but with that will come increased demand, and this will keep home prices high and may push them even higher. Finding a home in your price range may be even trickier, and you may have to put offers on several homes before you get one accepted. And if you're looking to sell a home in 2024, the good news is if mortgage rates come down, then demand will increase and you will have a larger buyer pool competing for your home. However, this will not be a year of aspirational pricing, as it will be important to still price your home competitively, especially if our economy falters and we dip into a recession. Demand will remain strong, but buyers, as always, will still be shopping for value. If you'd like to talk about your unique situation, if you're looking to buy or sell a home in the Greater Palm Springs area, we'd love to have that conversation with you. Please feel free to reach out to us. Give us a phone call, a text, or an email. Also, if you have any other real estate related topics or questions that I can answer, reach out with those as well. And I'd also like to mention that I want to wish everyone a very happy holiday. Thank you for watching. See you next time.